I have a mystery box from Flower Nose. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This is Coley over here. She's really just on her phone. And Bandits, I don't know, he was here a moment ago. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is from Flower Nose, and I really only heard of this company from seeing some of their advent calendar opened up on YouTube. And I said, beautiful packaging, let's give it a try. Then I saw that they had this mystery box. I don't recall what I paid, but I'll try to look it up and put it in there if I can find it. I figured, well, we'll see what we get. So there are 5 items in here. And the first is well, it's a hair bow with a little, almost looks like a locket in there. I'm not going to open it because this is not anything that I would necessarily wear. It's super cute, but I think my niece would probably love it. My younger niece. So I'm going to set that aside for her birthday, which is coming up in a couple of months. Oh, there's 6 items in here. Okay, this is from their Shell Jewel collection. It's a highlighter in the shade Blue Tears. All right, so it's a little plastic shell. I feel like in their advent calendar it was much more ornate. And then here is what it looks like inside. And there's how it looks on. All right, very pretty though. No mirror inside, just a little embossed shells jewel. This looks to be from the same line, or at least the box looks about the same. This is from their Midsummer Fairy Tale collection, so I guess it just looks similar. It is the Velvet Embossed Blush in the shade Summer Blossom, and she's perked up. All right, so this is more of a metal with that pretty outside. So that is, and I swatched it right underneath, so it's very, very light. I can see it on my hand, but I'm not seeing it picked up real good by the camera, but it looks like it's kind of a key ring with like a little bracelet or something on it. And again, nothing that I would use, but pass that along. Okay, here's next. This is their Strawberry Rococo Series 5-color eyeshadow palette, Star Moon Strawberry. And look at that packaging. All right, so here they are on my hand. And those 2 darker mattes are there. And then the other 3, again, some of them are just really light to see. But we've got the very first one that was on my thumb is right here. And then the second one is right there. It's real light. And then the third one is right there, which was a matte. And then the last thing in here is from their Little Angel collection. It is a matte lipstick in Golden Wheat. Just a minute.
I love this cat.
Oh, that's darker than I thought it was going to be. Does feel good going on. Doesn't feel dry at all. So I do like that. So tell me what you guys think. I think I like the packaging. I think it's really cute, and I think it's a great way to try it. Of course, there's 2 items that I'm not going to use at all. Everything else in here, though, I will use. So I think it was a nice kind of way to check out the brand.
I think this is my favorite.
All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.